Good afternoon, traders. It is Monday, March 16th, 2015. The U.S. stock market is closed. It was kind of good news and bad news today. Overall, I think we had a pretty darn good day. We came in with about 8 positions today, and the Dow really took off, and our positions improved, and we ended up taking out over $10,000 in profits, and that is the good news. The bad news, and it's not real bad news, but the Dow gained 228 points today, and in spite of that very powerful rally, obviously you can see here just how strong that was. My feeling is last half of the day it was running out of steam, and I felt that there was a fair amount of profit taking and short selling coming in to the overall market toward the end of the day, and I'm expecting that this could cause us some problems tomorrow, at least problems if you're anticipating that this thing is just going to keep going. You can see here it cut right through our red line, no problems there, but it started kind of running into trouble here. I'm just seeing this as running out of steam. I am calling the Dow down tomorrow. I don't think it's going to go higher from here. I think 2 scenarios could happen. We could see this thing fail here and cut back through the red line and could go quite a bit lower tomorrow. Another scenario would be it just goes sideways and maybe even bounces off our red line here, which of course would be negative. But if it stays above the red line tomorrow, at least on the close, and kind of consolidates here, I think that might set us up the following day. That would be Wednesday for more upside movement. But my gut feeling is we're going to see a down day tomorrow. That's, of course, I am frequently wrong about calling the Dow. Anyway, the kind of disappointing part of today is that in spite of taking out over $10,000 in profits, we have about $3,600 in negative open trade equity going into tomorrow. And this is part of my pessimism about tomorrow. I just felt that we got into only 5 positions today. That's not very many for the Dow being up to 228, and 3 of them are negative. And really only one of those 5 positions was any good at all. And it seems to me that we're kind of getting into the overall market is a little too high now. It wants to pull back. That's my assessment. I will show you some of the trades today, and of course we had some great ones. But let me show you my worry, kind of what I'm initially a little bit worried about. This is Advexis, which, by the way, is a drug stock, and we made all our money on drug stocks today. This one we got into, we weren't carrying that, and it did beautifully for most of the day. We were up over $2,000 in Advexis up here, but it fails, and it fails with a kind of chart pattern that I do not like to see. It cuts across everything here and ends up closing close to its low, and we're down about $2,000 in Advexis. So this is a little bit scary to me, and I think that if the overall market wasn't quite so overbought as it was today, we wouldn't be seeing this pattern. So this has me a little bit nervous, and is one reason I am a little bit concerned about where this market's going to go tomorrow. But hey, listen, that's my pessimism. Let me show you our reason for optimism. I'll show you this one. This one we're out of. This is ANAC, A-N-A-C, Anacor Pharmaceuticals. We had bought this on Friday, and this morning it popped up just enough to get us out of there. We took over $5,000 out of Anacor. Just beautiful, beautiful trade. And that wasn't the only $5,000 trade we had. This is GW Pharmaceuticals. Again, we bought that on Friday right out of the gate, and it pops up here really nicely. And where we get out of there, we're taking another $5,000 plus out of GW Pharmaceuticals. It's amazing. This thing is really powerful. It keeps going. It ends up closing absolutely on its high. If we had a crystal ball and everything and exited on the close, we would have made a couple more $1,000, but we trade a system, and the system did well for us. We took over $5,000 in GW Pharmaceuticals. I am quite happy. Anyway, should be an interesting day tomorrow. This is Trader Bob. I'll see you on Tuesday.